Hello and welcome to OCL's video tutorial series. In this video, I will show you how to use tutor.com provided by SCDiscus. This service is found on the SCDiscus website. It is a temporary resource that will be available until June 30th, 2020. There are multiple ways to access this service, but for our purposes, I will navigate using the A to Z list tab. Left click on A to Z list and you'll see tutor.com right up here at the top. Left click on the tutor.com logo and the service will open in a new tab. Tutor.com is a service that provides assistance from a real person with specific questions or subject issues your child may have. Here at the top, you'll see that you can go ahead and just connect with a tutor right away, and that all the other tabs are grayed out. These tabs are not available with this version of the service. Tutor.com is available for kindergarten through 12th grade. To request a tutor, you simply fill out a short form here. Meetings with tutors can either be conducted through typed chat or you can use a microphone to talk. Know that if you want a tutor for voice chat, you may have to wait a little bit longer than if you are okay with a typed conversation. When you submit your request for a tutor, a window will pop up saying that you're being connected to a tutor. Once you're connected, you'll see a whiteboard as well as a chat window that allows you to talk to the tutor directly. The whiteboard is available so that both your child and the tutor can write or draw on the board. When you're done with your session, you simply close the chat window. If later you have another question with your child's homework, you will need to request a new tutor. The likelihood that you will receive the same tutor multiple times in a row is fairly low. Remember, these tutors are meant to help with a specific question, like if your child's having issues understanding what a verb is, or how to solve for X. They're not meant to help with things such as Algebra 2 or Spanish 1. This concludes the tutorial on how to request a tutor on tutor.com provided by SCDiscus. If you have any questions, feel free to message us on OCL's Facebook page. Thank you for watching.